Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's explore the term home. It's not just a place, there's more to this word. Let's journey into the heart of comfort, belonging, and the myriad emotions that home evokes. Meaning. So, home is more than just a physical space. It's a place of comfort, belonging, and emotional connection. It's where individuals or families reside, creating a sense of security and identity. Usage. Imagine returning home after a long day, feeling the warmth of family, or creating memories in the place you call home. Examples. Think of the phrase, make yourself at home, the joy of coming home for the holidays, or the concept of a home away from home. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's home, a term that resonates with emotions, memories, and the essence of a personal sanctuary, right? Different uses. Ever heard of homeland? It's a term often used to refer to the country or region where someone was born or has strong cultural ties. Conclusion. If the concept of home sparks emotions and memories for you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more heartwarming word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.